Bleeding your radiators. If a radiator is only slightly warm, or warm at the bottom but cold nearer the top, yet your central heating is on, try bleeding it. To do this, you will need a radiator key. If you haven't one, you can get one from any DIY or hardware store. You will also need a paper towel or cloth. Before you bleed your radiator, first turn your boiler off. Then, using your radiator key, open the valve at the top of the radiator. One rotation should be enough. Hold your paper towel or cloth against the valve, as dirty water will come out. You should hear a hissing sound as the air is bled out of the radiator. Once the hissing stops and water starts coming out, indicating the radiator is full, you need to tighten the air valve with the radiator key. Finally, switch on your heating to test. If the radiator heating is not restored, please contact our repair team.